China's population has shrunk for the first time in 6 decades. This has triggered warnings of a demographic crisis. The national birth rate for 2022 fell to a record low amid an aging society. The rising cost of raising children, shifting attitudes on family and marriage, as well as China's slowing economic growth have been blamed for the historic population decline.
The world's most populous country had 1.41 billion people at the end of last year. That's 850,000 fewer than at the end of 2021. This marks China's first population decline since 1961. Officials from the National Statistics Bureau say the decline in newborns was the main cause. China scrapped its one-child policy 7 years ago. Since then, it has offered tax breaks, better maternal health care, and other incentives to encourage families to have more children. But only 9.56 million babies were born in 2022, compared with the 10.62 million born in 2021. The birth rate has fallen to a record low of 6.77 births per 1,000. That's down from 7.52 a year earlier. China's strict zero-COVID policy is widely believed to have accelerated a fall in birth rates, as many couples delayed or decided against having children during the health crisis and an economic slowdown. The country also saw deaths outnumber births for the first time last year, its highest death rate since 1976. That is expected to rise even more this year because of COVID-19. China's population drop-off has come much faster than previously expected. Coupled with its aging workforce, this could have a significant impact on economic growth in the years to come.
Of course, the government, this is no big surprise to the government. Maybe it's happened a little sooner than we might have expected because of COVID, which again, in many parts of the world, in common with China, pushed fertility rates to very low levels because of the economic uncertainty and jobs issues related to COVID. So it's really going to be determined by how the government continues to work through the current 5-year plan and other programs in place to basically to respond to this new demographic paradigm.
Data from the National Statistics Bureau showed 62% of the population are of working age, 16 to 59 years old. That's down from around 70% a decade ago, highlighting the challenges the country is facing. China's trajectory seems to be following that of other nations, such as Japan and South Korea, which have also seen their birth rates plummet and populations shrink.